the median sales price on homes that sold is $534,500. It's Friday, October 22nd, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. 144 homes are for sale right now in Annapolis, indicating another dip in the available homes for sale throughout the area. 33 of these homes are priced over $1 million and have been listed on the market for 86 median days. Only 20 homes came to the market over the past week, while 24 homes went under contract in 8 days. 40 homes sold within 12 days on the market and at 99.2% of the original list price. This indicates that although buyer showing activity has decreased, those homes that are on the market are actually going under contract quickly because the buyers looking now are serious about purchasing. The highest priced property to close over the past week was this waterfront estate in West Annapolis for $11 million. Rental inventory continues to remain low and now down to only 13 homes for rent at $27.50 per month. That's your Annapolis Market Snapshot for Friday, October 22nd. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.